BSLK stock announces Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Bold Projects Holdings stock's actually been going down, and it's not like this was not even the idea, because it was. Look and see how my prediction looked like. You know, now this was made in my previous video. I'm going to show you proof.
It's 5% just
boom.
like this on Friday last
Set
week.
of 7th of November. I only got 15 views, which kind of sucks, but you know.
$50. I just jump in on him. Take a look. Other than that, if you want to learn to make more money,
that's how my prediction looked like, and we definitely delivered. And what's next? I mean, I'm still going to mark up my lows, and still going to keep this on this chart. Like, still a bearish bias though. So if you want to learn how to trade stocks full time, click the first link in the description. It's a free course. But like, the only time that I'm going to consider something bullish is if I start seeing double breaks above like 46, 47 cents or something like that. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.